Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Here we cover profitable ways to tap the retro typing trend without building a factory. Refurbish and resale of vintage machines. Buy, restore, and resell classics. Standardize your parts kits and offer service plans. Sell on your own site, plus Etsy, eBay, and specialist marketplaces. Bundle a tune-up, a ribbon subscription, a care guide, and a 90-day warranty. The model uses sweat and skill, not big tooling. Margins improve with repeatable processes, and you build a base of customers who return for service. Mechanical keyboards and typing accessories. Enter the mechanical keyboard space for the tactile feel without the weight of factory gear. Offer custom keycaps, switches, wrist rests, and DIY kits that mimic typewriter profiles. Use pre-orders and limited drops to control inventory risk. Collaborate with creators for themed sets and colorways. Run direct-to-consumer marketing with email, Discord, and community forums. Lower capex, faster product cycles, and broader demand. Content, rentals, and events. Host pop-ups, typing bars, and workshops. Rent machines for weddings, films, and brand activations. Offer online classes on care, cleaning, and light repairs. Package corporate events with branding and a typed keepsake. This creates community, new leads, and recurring service revenue. It also feeds your refurbish pipeline with trade-ins and repair requests. Licensing and limited editions. Partner with artists or brands for small runs of prints, posters, and merch tied to typing culture. Offer numbered accessories like ribbon tins, desk mats, or signed covers. Use pre-orders to avoid dead stock. Keep production local and simple. Sell collector value and story, not mass volume. This builds brand equity without heavy overhead. Quick due diligence checklist before you fund any niche hardware. Use this checklist before you wire funds to any niche hardware play typewriter plants included. Keep the math simple and the milestones clear. Push for proof, not decks. Unit economics and break even. List the bill of materials, COGS, average selling price, and gross margin. If the gross margin cannot cover returns and support, walk away. Estimate break-even units per month and months of cash runway at current burn. Map the cash conversion cycle from deposits to final payment. Push for pre-orders or deposits to reduce working capital needs. If cash is trapped in parts for months, the risk is high. Market size and demand proof. Look at TAM, SAM, and SOM but tie them to proof of buying intent. Ask for waitlist counts, paid pre-orders, repeat purchase rates, and repair backlog. Request dealer interest emails and purchase orders, not just survey slides. Study search trends and seasonality but rely on actual conversion. If demand depends on viral spikes, plan for droughts, not waves. Supply chain and after sales. Check supplier depth for all critical parts. Confirm spare parts availability and repair training. Review lead times, minimum order quantities, and backup vendors. Ask for warranty terms, historical return rates, and average repair time. After sales quality can make or break hardware margins. Without a service plan and parts kit, returns will crush profit. Exit options and downside protection. Ask who buys this business in 3 years. Consider licensing, acquihires, or asset sales. Favor asset-light models, pre-orders, and flexible inventory to cap risk. Seek collateral value in tools, molds, and inventory that can be liquidated. If the only exit is a bigger factory, rethink the deal. The core idea is simple. Typewriter manufacturing this year is a nostalgia trap, not a strong investment. Demand is small, costs are heavy, tech trends erode use cases, and margins are thin. You can still profit from the retro typing wave. Focus on refurbish and resale mechanical keyboards and accessories rentals and events and small licensing drops. Use the checklist before you fund any niche hardware pitch. If you are considering a deal, run the numbers this week. Ask for proof, not promises. Then pick the path with cash flow, not just charm. See you soon with more ideas and the vetting checklist. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.